I have a GE double oven with an F96 error code. We replace the convection fan, no good. Then we replace the upper oven board, still F96.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
18 months.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I had a tech put in both patrs.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Did you replace the convection fan, the one in the oven, or the cooling fan, the one in the top that cools the electronics? May I please have your model number so I am able to provide you with accurate, model-specific information?
The convection fan. Model hash.
The error you're seeing means that there is an error with the cooling fan. You replaced the wrong fan. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
No. Thanks.
Sorry for the auto call offer. I have no control over those. I am preparing your answer now.
I'm here.
Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
Hello, Kelly, are you there? Okay.
In the diagram at the link below, number 32 is the cooling fan. It is accessed by pulling the oven out and removing the top and rear access panels. Click here. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here. All connections simply unplug and plug in, making for an easy replacement. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
The convection fan has already been replaced along with the upper oven board, and still we get F96.
The convection fan is inside the oven. That is not the fan you need. The fan you need to replace is the cooling fan, the one I sent you, mounted up in the control area.
Is there anything else that could cause the fan to run for about 1 min and shut off?
Yes, the board is shutting it off because it is not getting the correct signal from it. That is what the error code is telling you.
I have already paid for a fan and a board and a tech. Is there any other possibilities?
Apparently you are not understanding. You bought and replaced the wrong fan.
Are you saying that the lower fan needs to be replaced?
No, the fan that is on the top of the oven, behind the control panel. It is mounted at the very top of the oven. Did you see the picture link I sent you? The oven has to be pulled out to access it.
They pulled out the oven and went in the back and replaced that fan. The tech could not understand why.
I am not able to help you. I will see if another may be available.
I'll check later, I have some other things to do. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.